How to fix Facebook Oculus loop problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will just open settings and you will go directly to uh, apps, and on apps you will scroll down and you will go directly to Facebook, and on Facebook you will go to storage, and on storage you will go to clear data, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fix it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another